Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Sweatcoin app. It's so easy and simple that anyone can do it. First, open the Sweatcoin application. Now select Update Settings. And you will need to enable three options. Start by selecting Manage Battery Settings. Open the battery settings and set it to No Restrictions. Next, go back and enable Auto Start. Open the Auto Start settings, click OK, and make sure to allow the Sweatcoin app to run automatically. Then go back and confirm by selecting Yes again. Now lock Sweatcoin in your recent apps. To do this, go to your recent apps by pressing the square in the bottom navigation or swiping up from the bottom. Long press on the Sweatcoin app and tap the lock screen icon. Once you have done that, click on Activate Now on your home screen. Then enable Google Fit Access and allow your Google account. Done. There you have it. Now you can buy anything you want with your Sweatcoin account balance. Thanks for joining us and watching this video. I hope it was useful for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel.